Until the quiet changed. Until Nena stumbled upon a moment never meant for her eyes.
You want to know how I brought this Nigerian folklore to life using AI? Stay tuned because I'm showing you exactly how I created these cinematic scenes using Runway, ML, and Kling AI. From vibrant village settings to mythical storytelling, I put both platforms to the test. Which one captured the spirit of Nigerian folklore better? Which gave me more control, realism, and flow? Let's find out which AI video tool truly delivers. So I'm creating this Igbo folklore story and about love and about betrayal. And I thought, you know what? I want to compare two really popular video generation tool. So Kling AI and Runway. Now, I'm using Kling AI via design because for the next couple of days, design is doing a promotional offer where I can generate all of these images for free. For free, meaning it is not taking any credits. So I am literally using the same image, the same prompt in Runway and using Kling 2.1 and using Runway's Gen 4 Turbo with the same clip. All right. So you're going to see how I do it. So as you guys know, I use ChatGPT to create the prompts. I upload the images, and with my advanced prompts that I teach my students, it then generates for me prompts based on the pictures that I supply it. So I will show you two examples, and we're going to see how it looks in both platforms. Yeah. So I think we are image 6 now. So this is the exact same picture, generate. I'm doing 5 seconds because it doesn't need to be long. These clips do not need to be long at all. Do the exact same thing. And the really good thing is that you can generate a couple of videos at the same time. Yeah, so generate, that's the exact same thing that's here, right, being done. So go back here, copy and paste the prompt. Sometimes you get confused when you're literally moving from one platform to another. But yeah, so that's generating. Then do the exact same thing here. Go straight there. And generate. So we're just going to wait for it to generate. Okay, so this one's been generated already. So we can play this. And this is the thing I don't like about Runway ML. The image just does not look great. Like, it just looks not dynamic at all. But I'm just not liking this video. It's a little bit better. Okay, this one is done. So let's see what this does. Okay, you see? So much more expressive. So much more. Let's go back to that and see. I really want to compare the two. It's like she's statuesque. Did I ask for it to be slow motion or something? What is going on? It's like she's just sitting still. This gives it so much more life. Okay, I think this one is done now as well. Okay, so they're floating a little bit more slowly. And she looks at the camera. And then this one. Okay, I prefer the way it moves in this one. I actually do prefer how it moves in this one. But we can see some of the comparisons here. Let me show you some. So if we go all the way down, that's Nana with basically a coconut. And then let's look at her. We've got to go to the top here. Okay. Then this is her sitting down here. So you can let me know which you prefer. So this is And then this is the Kling's version of it. Okay. Then this one, hold on. Then this one, that's it. Meant to be looking, well, it's looking quite scared. Okay. And then like her afro comes out. I do that, I like that effect. I need to do like a fire effect at the back. And then this one you can see here. And I told you this gave me issues in Runway. Like I've hidden them, but it took so long. That's why it's not in order. And I think it was the prompts. It's a shortened prompt. This only has, if I show you the prompt, that is the prompt for this one. And if I was to look at the prompt, so it's a bit longer. So it was cut short because I don't know why it just wasn't accepting. So it ended at chest. So the morning light to tone was taken off. That's the only key difference. So we're going to do 8. Choose an image. The 3 is gone. It's telling me that 3 is gone. I've got to pay now. I've actually got to pay. Okay, if I've got to pay, then I'm going to go to Kling. Yeah? So, if I've actually got to pay, I'm actually going to go to Kling. It lasted as long as it lasted. Yeah? So, I'm going to go to Kling because there's no need for me. And of course, with Kling, add sound effects with video generation. Let's see, free for now. Let's see how it goes. So you just want to say no distortion, no blur, no fast movements, no warping. All right, so I'm gonna. Oh no, so I'm really sad about the whole. I was really enjoying the free version. As they say, every good thing comes to an end. So I'm going to just do one more for you guys just to show you. Then you guys will see the finished product when I edit it in Premiere Pro. So we're going to see the finished product. One thing about Runway, it is quick. It generates very quickly with the turbo. Kling is quick as well, but I think that Runway does have speed on its side, where I think Kling has more dynamism, better prompt adherence, and just better quality videos. But maybe I'm biased. So we're going to see when I edit the exact same way, we're going to see which video comes out better. So I'm not sure what's going on. I ain't sure what's going on. I'm even scared to put the sound on to see what's happening. What happened here? Maybe next time I put the... Don't add sound effects, yeah? So let me take off sound effects and just do another one to see what it will produce. But let's just hear what it's doing. So it might be better without sound. Let's see what it produces here in Runway. Why does it look like it's falling? Was it meant to be falling? Okay. Oh, design. I was really enjoying the free credits. What happened? So let's go back to Kling. So it is going. So I will show you that one in a second to see how it is without adding the sound effect. Okay, so this one came with it. It's done. I think I prefer this one. Look at this. That looks beautiful. Kling is just doing it. Kling is just doing it for me. But let's see. You don't know. We don't know. Runway might take it. But as I'm looking at it right now, the videos in Kling and the videos used in Kling in design are coming out spectacular. I think barring one that I think Runway edged it just a little bit, I am loving the clips in Kling. So it's going to be really interesting putting all the videos together and seeing how it comes out. So the issue that we are having here is that Runway does not want to accept the lip sync. It did put out a warning that says it's actually better to lip sync photorealistic images. So maybe it's because it's 3D. But if it does not generate this lip sync for the first video, I will not continue with the rest. There is no point me trying to lip sync these videos. So that means I will have to disembark on creating 2 videos of the same story. Most of the images generated in Kling AI far surpassed Runway, in my personal opinion. But I've tried it 3 times and it's essentially not working. But just wanted to show you in real time the frustration I'm having with Runway.
Ah, Chuka, the cheeky boy with a smile full of secrets, and Nena, our Nena, his light, his laugh, his heart. They were once inseparable, weaving through the forest paths like wind and breath. He made the stars dance for her, plucking them from the sky just to see her smile. They'd walk for hours, hands brushing, hearts racing. And when the world grew quiet, they kissed under the moonlight like the night itself was holding its breath. Until the quiet changed. Until Nena stumbled upon a moment never meant for her eyes. A kiss that wasn't hers. A truth she didn't ask for, but couldn't unsee. And just like that, everything that once felt like magic began to fade.
Sometimes silence says everything the heart is too scared to speak. I prayed, but the gods were quiet. Why didn't I see the truth sooner, before it broke me wide open? For a moment, the water carried my sorrow and gave me back my breath. I forgot how good joy feels when it comes from inside, not from him. This laughter, it's mine, and I won't give it away again. I smiled, but something in me still waited for your voice to catch up. Is it foolish to miss someone who only saw pieces of me? Some memories cling like smoke, soft but impossible to escape. If I could rewind time, would you still choose me? Maybe the stars know what I never said out loud.
So what a riveting video. I think we know who won between Kling AI and Runway ML. Kling AI wins hands down. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you learned anything from this tutorial, like, comment, subscribe, and tap that bell notification to never miss an upload.